Hi guys, not much really happening today. The news overnight was rather benign and nothing tragic really happened. Bonds were up a little bit, not much in it really. You got from 54 to 57, so 3 basis points really. So not much movement there comparatively. Over in VIX, what are we seeing? Further non-worries about what's going on. US stocks, a bit of offset, right? It didn't really do much, pretty much closed close to where it has for the last 2 days. So pretty much unchanged for after 2 days of trading. And we're seeing weakness still in the banking index, but that's offset by this tech market, which is still showing some strength. So over in dollar index, it clearly leaking even further this week as that safe haven bid wears off. Why that is, yeah, I don't know why you'd be taking your safe havens off, but gold is up, speaking of safe havens, and Ethereum and Bitcoin bolted after the news from Binance during the week, which was here, bolted again. So bit of a nothing day, to be honest. Aussie dollars trying to crack back through 67 again. Did close above it at the end of the day. It'll be interesting to see if it can then carry on with that and hold above it and get through that 67.50 level. Nice little retest there on the 5 minute of that 67 handle. Maybe the Aussie does have that strength, or it's more the US dollar weakness, because we're seeing Euro track higher. Hourly nice long trend, 4 hour nice long trend. Initial target will be that, which is sort of 109.20, and then you're looking at the 110. And I think that's probably going to continue to play this week. Our momentum indicator is getting a little higher, so we might not see this high getting taken out this week, but we most likely see that one taken out and then get a retracement, and then we'll have another crack at this one. And pound, as I mentioned before, is just stuck in that range, tracking back across toward 124, and it too should overheat on the momentum indicator roughly about when it gets there. So dollar yen, bit of yen strength overnight. We're seeing that across the board, or is that just because of the US dollar weakness? Yeah, so we're seeing yen weakness across the other pairs, but strength against the US dollar, so that would suggest it's just the US dollar weakness as to why the yen did better there. Across the board, yen under pressure again, and it's only natural. Markets cycle from weakness to strength to and from strength to weakness, so we're just going through that phase again. And that's about it. Don't see much ahead right now until we get a major news data. Aussie inflation later today, and GDP tonight, but I think the major news will be after Easter, and it'll be just waiting for the next shoe to fall. Alright guys, I shall see you tomorrow.